Hey guys, this is Aaron from Breakdance Decoded and welcome to this volume of Ask Aaron. Today's question is, I'm training power recently. Should I train for rounds or should I train for transition? So in effect, I could say like different two schools of thought. Okay, so on one hand you have like, for example, like Bboy A who wants to do like as many flares as possible or as many windmills as possible, and then Bboy B will be thinking like, I wanna get like, flare to mill, mill to flare, all different transitions, and then that's essentially the kind of perfection they're chasing for. There's no right or wrong way. How I like to do it is I like to train for transitions because I like to make my moves battle ready. Okay, so to me I believe that if you can enter and exit a move into another move like flawlessly, like perfect your transitions, you're good to go. I'll consider that like some form of mastery, that you have actually understood how to transfer momentum in and out of the move, and that's really, really important if you want to actually understand how the move works, and how to actually bring it forward to something else. Alright, that's not to say that training rounds for rounds is wrong, but on a day-to-day basis you probably need to do all this, I would consider static training, like training, like perfecting your moveset, like just the move itself. But at the end of the day, for me, I like to practice for transitions to make them as much as possible battle ready.